We're now ready for step 4, manufacturing. Let's bring our design into reality. When starting your clothing brand, you'll likely want to print your designs on wholesale blank clothing. It's much cheaper and easier than cutting and sewing clothing from scratch. There are 3 main methods to get this done. The first is in-house. You can print your designs on your own by ordering wholesale blanks, manufacturing equipment like a screen printer or a heat press, and related supplies. This method gives you the most control over your clothes and will lower your costs in the long run. However, it requires a high upfront investment to purchase all that you need. I'm talking hundreds to thousands of dollars. You also need knowledge on how to use manufacturing equipment and physical space to store everything. When you're just starting out, this method can be a bit expensive and overwhelming. That's why I suggest you explore the other 2, with the next one being print on demand. This is the method of having a company print custom clothing for you only when an order is made. You simply choose a blank, upload a design, and all of the inventory, printing, embroidering, packaging, and shipping will be handled for you. Best of all, you don't need to make any investment up front. You only pay once you make a sale. This is definitely the best method if you don't have much money to invest into your clothing brand or want a quick and easy way to start it up. I myself use print on demand to start my own clothing brand, Drift Club. Now, there are some cons to print on demand. It typically costs more to produce each item since you're not ordering in bulk, and much of the process is handled for you. Additionally, there is less flexibility with the blanks you can use, the placement of your designs, colors, and packaging. That's not to say it's not flexible though. Printful, the print on demand service I use, offer a wide range of blanks, customization, and branding options that will more than likely meet your needs. For example, they offer various techniques to produce your designs, such as DTG, DTF, embroidery, all over printing, and even knitting. Finally, there's third party, hiring a screen printing or embroidery shop to help make your clothing. This method is kind of a mix of the last 2. You get some of the control of in-house with some of the convenience of print on demand. The catch is that you'll likely need to produce your clothes in bulk, as most shops have minimum order quantities. You'll need space to hold that inventory too. This means it requires a decent upfront investment per order, not only in terms of money, but also in designs and sizes. If your designs and sizes don't sell, you might have just bought yourself a lifelong supply of pajamas. Out of these 3, the manufacturing method to use will depend on your situation, how much money you have to invest, how much control you want with your product, and how much work you're willing to put in. If you want my recommendation, I'd start with print on demand. It's the most accessible and beginner friendly, which is why I'm going to use it for a gut feeling.